Sony KDL32W600D 32-inch. Enjoy outstanding clarity, sharpness, and picture quality with everything you watch with this Sony KDL32-inch Class 720p Smart LED TV. Their combination of noise reduction technologies sharpen every scene so the picture gleams with clear details. Experience the detail of HDR across all your entertainment. From Blu-ray Discs to your favorite TV shows, you can see it all in a perfect clarity on the screen with this Sony TV. TV that keeps up with real life. Sony's refresh rate technology Motionflow XR 250 allows fast-moving action sequence in sports and movies to be seen with precise motion clarity. Enjoy the pure, natural audio with smooth, even reproduction of all frequencies. This TV uses a powerful computer model to analyze and compensate for accuracies in speaker responses by sampling the speaker frequencies with higher precision. The KDL has built-in Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity to allow access to your favorite apps and internet-based content via its Smart TV OS, plus content sharing and screen mirroring with your other smart devices such as your smartphone or tablets. Surprise all your memories and enjoy them on a big screen with your family and friends. With just only $298 price rate, this TV delivers almost all the features you'll need. So get this deal right away, and to know more details about this product, please click on the link in the description below.